갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네.
Hi skincare lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Diva's Secret Organic Space. Yes guys, this is Diva's Secret Organic Space, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. So to my old subscribers guys, thank you so much and I love you all. So guys, before we go into the video of today, I'm quickly going to announce that we have started taking students for our online training class. So if you are interested, registration is open from now till April ending. Yes, from now to April ending, we are going to stop taking students from April ending. So if you know you are interested and you want to know how to formulate your own skincare products, yes, this you can use on your skin. You can use this, you can do this for your families, you can even sell it out. Yes, you can sell it out. So if you know you are interested, go to my description box, my contacts, they are all there. Make sure to contact me and register, and register. So today's video I'm going to be making a facial cream. Yes, this facial cream is meant for sensitive skin. This facial cream is meant for oily prone skin, and this facial cream is not going to clog your pores. Yes, it will not clog your pores, and it's going to give you a brightening effect. This is glutathione facial cream. So if you want to know how to make this facial cream, make sure to watch this video from the starting to the ending, and leave your comments below. Share this video with your friends, and please guys, always watch my advert. Do not skip my advert. Be patient, just 30 seconds, we are done with the advert and you can watch your video. You can watch your video in peace. So guys, let's go and do this out, and make sure to contact me if you are interested in our online training class. So catch ya. So guys, we are going to start with our formulations, and before you start with your formulation, please, this is very important. This is 70% alcohol. Make sure to spray your working areas, your tools like your glass, your spoons. Make sure to spray them. So even if you're not selling it, even if you're giving it out, and if you're selling it, make sure to spray your working areas, because if you have any depth in your skincare products, they are not going to last long, and all the effective products that you use to make it, they are going to oxidize. Yeah, they are not going to be very effective anymore. So here are my powders. Here I have my glutathione powder, so you can check the description box. I have all the measurements on my description box. Here is my glutathione powder, and here I have my sepia white powder. All these are whitening powders. So here I also have my niacinamide powder, and here I have my what is it called? Here I have my allantoin powder. Sorry guys, I have my allantoin powder. Yes, allantoin is going to add a moisture to your skin, and it's going to help with irritations. For most people that have sensitive skin, it's going to help with irritations. And glutathione powder is a great antioxidant. It has great antioxidant, so it's going to benefit your skin also. The sepia white is a whitening powder, and the niacinamide powder is also a whitening powder. So here is my tea tree oil. I'm going to be adding tea tree oil. So I'm going to add my primrose oil, and I will be using papaya oil, and also lavender oil. So I'll be using grapeseed oil, and I'll be using apricot oil. So here we have vitamin E oil. This is our antioxidants. And we have our grapefruit essential oil, because this is a facial cream, so we need grapefruit essential oil and also tea tree essential oil to help to target scars. It will help to target dark spots and pigmentations. Yes, and we have our Arbutin serums. Yes, this is our Arbutin serums, collagen serum, alpha Arbutin serums, guys. So we have our witch azai, we have our propylene glycol, and we are also going to use rose water, glycerin, preservative, and we have our distilled water. So guys, now let's continue with our formulations. So we are going to measure that our water phase, and we are going to start with our water. So now we are going to add in our witch azai. And we are going to add in our rose water. And so now we are going to add in our propylene glycol. So we are going to add in our allantoin powder. So we are going to dissolve our allantoin powder first with a very hot heat, then before we can add in our other powders. So this is it. And we keep this aside. So we go to our oil phase. So we have to measure out our wax and also our stearic acid. Okay. And our stearic acid. So, and we are going to add in our oils one by one. So guys, if you're making a facial cream, you have to choose your oils correctly. And make sure to use a very light oils, and you have to use a very little oils. Okay, so our grapeseed oil. So I'm just using it little by little. I'm taking little from each oils, because I want to benefit from all the oils. I want to benefit from all the oils. So I'm going to add in my prime rose, which is okay, and my papaya oil. Okay, and my lavender oil. Okay, So guys, we are done here with the oils and the wax. So now we are going to add in our Sepia white powder. Yes, because Sepia white powder is an oil soluble. So I'm going to add in our Sepia white powder.
Wait, get me first one.
So guys, now we are going to heat our water phase, and also we are going to heat our oil phase. So all we have to do is to add it in here, and we allow it to heat to 140 degrees. So let me show you if you can see my, hold on. So this is how you do it. So we have to double boil this, and we are going to be back. So before our water phase and the oil phase are going to heat up, before they are going to heat up, I'm going to measure out my glycerin, and I'm going to dissolve with my xanthan. I'm going to be dissolving my xanthan gum with glycerin. So 12 grams. So, and we are going to dissolve with our glycerin, with our xanthan gum, just a little bit of our xanthan gum. Okay, and we are going to dissolve this. So this xanthan gum is going to give our cream a jelly effect. Yes, I like when my lotions are jelly on the skin. So guys, now we are done. You can see the smoke coming out from this, and now I'm going to pour in my glutathione powder and my niacinamide powder. So guys, you can see that it has fully dissolved. So now I'm going to pour in my oil phase into my water phase, just like this. So I'm going to blend. So now we are going to add in the xanthan gum and the glycerin, and we are going to stick blend. So we are going to allow this to sit for some time so that it will cool down. Then after cooling down, we are going to add in our cool down phase. Yes, but for now we have to allow this to cool down to 40 degrees because we still have a very high temperature, which is not very good for our cool down phase. So we are going to allow this to cool down to 40 degrees, then we can come back and add in our cool down phase. So now we are going to add in our cool down phase, which is the vitamin E oil, and we are going to add just a little. So, and we are going to add in our alpha arbutin serum. We're adding just a little because we don't want much oils, and we are still going to add in this. So our tea tree essential oil. So our grapefruit essential oil. And we're going to mix it together. So you have to use your hand mixer to mix it together. So we are going to measure out our pH. Sorry guys, we are going to measure out our preservative. Yeah. So, and we give it a good mix. Going to take the pH of our facial cream. Okay, 5.18. This is what I got. This is 5.80, so this is very safe to use on your skin. So I'm going to buckle this up, and we are done. Just hold on, guys. So we're going to buckle it up. So I'm going to label out my creams, and so guys, we are done with our cream, and this is our facial cream. So guys, thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. So bye guys.